Ah, tell me year, make, and model of your bike.
2024 Ducati Panigale V2.
Is this your first bike? How long you been riding?
This is not my first bike. This is my fifth, and I've been riding for about 15 years now.
For 15 years?
Yeah.
Fifth bike. Why did you get a Ducati? Did you get it brand new, used, or what?
Brand new.
Brand new?
Yeah, 1 mile on it, and I put the mile on it.
You put the mile.
Yeah,
you put 1 mile on it.
Yeah, my wife actually was the reason why I got Ducati. She kept telling me to get something. She kept telling me to get Ducati. She's like, get Ducati.
Really? Your wife was telling you to get a Ducati?
She rides too.
She does.
Yeah, she rides a C500 2024.
Ah.
So nice little bike. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She loves Ducati.
She does. Okay.
She pushed me towards it.
So tell me about your bike, your experience with your bike since you've had it. Have you done any work yourself? Do you do the service yourself, or do you go to the shop? Tell me about that.
I do my own services. I'm actually qualified fully in every motorcycle.
Oh, really?
School for it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
Okay.
I got my certifications to do it, so I love doing my own work, just like I do my own work on my cars. But no, this bike is different. The only thing about this bike is it has a lot of heat, but man, I love this bike.
Yeah, it has a lot of heat issues. I mean, they improve every year.
Yeah.
So the heat comes down a little bit every year.
I put a heat shield in myself.
You did?
Okay.
Okay.
I did my own like cutting and all that. I didn't get it pre-made. I just did it myself.
Oh, you did? Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Okay.
I put throttle spacers in here. I've got new mirrors coming in. I'm gonna do an exhaust. I've done servo buddy. I've deleted that.
Right.
You know, I deleted my my valve. I'm not. Yeah, I do a lot of work.
Oh, you do a lot of work. It looks like it. Yeah.
Dyno here soon. So.
Oh, okay. That was my next question. Have you dynoed it and all that?
Not yet. Not yet.
And since you have a Ducati, what is your riding style?
I'm a sports bike guy. I like windy,
twisty roads. Okay,
that's what. Don't get me wrong. This thing keep up in a highway, no problem.
Huh?
This thing keeps up in a highway, no problem.
Of course. The V2 is no problem on the highway too.
I like the turn.
You like the turn.
I like the
you like the
knee a little
you
bit.
like to look at the lean angles.
Yeah.
Is that
I
what
like
it
the 55s. You know, 55 lean angles.
Yeah.
Yeah. MotoGP style.
Yeah. So what's your plan with this bike? Is this the only bike you have right now, or do you have more than one?
No, I have 4. I have a 1999 Road King. I have a 1997 Lowrider S.
Okay.
I have a C500, which is my wife's, and then I have this bike here, 2024, the Ducati.
So are you like a weekend rider? Do you ride
every day?
Every day? Do you ride to work also?
Even if it rains.
Even if it rains?
The only time I won't is if it's got ice out on the road. I won't ride with ice.
I get that. So is it because, are you commuting, or do you work from the house, or do you commute?
Oh no, I commute down to Quantico, Virginia.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
okay.
I'm in the military, so.
You're in the military.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
So you commute. Well, thank you for your service.
Appreciate it.
You know, no problem.
Plan with this bike, I'm gonna actually planning on making this into a track bike.
I was gonna say, have you been to the track?
Not yet. That's
not
my
yet.
next goal. 2,000 miles. I was gonna do that soon.
Yeah, you want to like ride it before you destroy it a little bit on the track, you know, just to make sure, right?
Well, I bought. They're on order. They're on back order. I bought track fairings.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
oh, good.
So
So you're gonna take these off, put the track fairings. Then you don't have to worry about it.
And I got frame sliders coming in for the track for the first time because I don't want to take a chance yet.
Of course.
This would be the first bike that like can actually do track. I've been on track before, but like that I have owned that can.
Oh yeah, the V2 is I mean V4 is for track too, but I would prefer.
This has got the proper power for it. I think.
Exactly. I would prefer like a V2 on a track than a V4. You know what I mean?
100%.
You know, on a track like that.
Yeah.
Have you been here before to this event?
No, this is my first time here.
Oh, congratulations! Come on Wednesdays. We have a much bigger ride on Wednesdays between. If you come over here 6 o'clock, usually they take off at 7.
Okay.
7
p.m. or 7 a.m.
7 p.m.
7 p.m. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know what your work schedule is.
Oh no, I'm off.
On Wednesdays, you can,
Yeah, I can come up.
You can come up. Yeah, see you on Wednesday. You like it. It's a much bigger group.
Okay.
Usually about close to 100 bikers. You know what I mean? And do you know about bikes and breakfast?
Not in this area. There's one down in Woodbridge that I go to as well.
The bikes and breakfast is going to happen tomorrow in Clifton, Virginia.
Okay.
It's going to be about 400 bikers over there.
Holy shit,
so if you and your wives want to come over there to Clifton, Virginia, it starts at 8 o'clock and it finishes at 11.
Oh, okay.
8 to 11 in the morning.
Okay, plenty of time.
Yeah, exactly. Nice meeting you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time.
Appreciate it,